If you're looking to take your account-based marketing to the next level, using Apollo.io is a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage Apollo.io for your ABM strategy, whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your current approach. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, engage, and convert high-value target accounts with this powerful platform. Apollo.io is a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your ABM efforts by providing access to detailed contact information, advanced search features, and automated outreach. It's a one-stop solution to help you build your list, engage your prospects, and ultimately close deals. And the best part, you can start using Apollo.io for completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Now, let's dive into how to use Apollo.io for account-based marketing. The first step is building your account list. Apollo.io makes it super easy to find high-quality accounts that fit your ideal customer profile. You can filter companies based on industry, size, location, and even specific technologies they use. Once you've set your criteria, Apollo.io will generate a list of highly targeted accounts that are most likely to benefit from your services. Once you've got your list, it's time to dig deeper into the contacts at those accounts. Apollo.io offers a massive database of decision makers across various industries. With detailed profiles, you can target the right people, whether it's the CEO, VP of marketing, or someone else who makes purchasing decisions. The platform also shows you their email addresses, social profiles, and even their engagement history, giving you all the insights you need to craft personalized outreach. Speaking of outreach, this is where Apollo.io's automation features come into play. You can set up automated email sequences and track responses, helping you nurture relationships with your target accounts. Whether you're sending cold emails or follow-ups, Apollo.io ensures that your outreach is timely and relevant. It even provides email templates that are designed to boost response rates, so you're not starting from scratch. Another great feature is the ability to integrate Apollo.io with your CRM, like Salesforce or HubSpot. This allows you to sync your leads and contacts, keeping everything organized in one place. By connecting your CRM, you can create a seamless workflow between prospecting, outreach, and conversion, saving you time and ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. But there's more. Apollo.io's analytics tools help you measure the effectiveness of your ABM campaigns. You'll get detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and replies, so you can optimize your outreach and see what's working and what's not. This data-driven approach helps you refine your strategies and achieve better results over time. Lastly, don't forget about the power of Apollo.io's lead scoring system. By ranking your leads based on engagement and interest, you can focus your efforts on the most promising accounts, increasing your chances of conversion and closing deals faster. To recap, Apollo.io is a powerful platform that makes account-based marketing easier than ever. From building targeted lists to automating your outreach and tracking results, it has everything you need to succeed. And if you're ready to start using Apollo.io for free, don't forget to grab our exclusive bonuses from the link in the description below. As promised, I've also secured an extended free trial just for you, so you can test everything Apollo.io has to offer with no commitments. Make sure to check that out and start improving your ABM efforts today.